Imagine you finally get a date with your crush and you plan to take her out for a nice dinner. But when she actually meets you, there's a moment of awkwardness before she makes an excuse and she runs for the door. It sounds awful, right? And you're probably wondering what the reason for this escape could be. It's probably got to do with your grooming game. Well, this is only an imaginary situation. But if you don't want this to happen to you in real life, here are 5 amazing grooming hacks. सबसे पहले एक बहुत कॉमन मिथ को बस्ट करते हैं that you have to get a haircut and shampoo your hair on the day of the date for a fresh look. Wrong. Your hair needs time to settle down before you style it. So get a haircut at least a week in advance and shampoo your hair a day before the date. This makes it easier to style and looks easy on the eyes as well. अब बात करते हैं facial grooming की. I'm sure you don't want to go for your first date with a shabby stubble. And neither do you want those nicks and cuts that often happen with those traditional razors. Hold on, no need to stress. There's a facial grooming product for us Gen Zs called the Philips One Blade, which is perfect for taking care of a patchy beard. It's easy to use and gets the job done quickly and comfortably. I use the Philips One Blade to trim, shave and style my stubble regularly. What makes One Blade so awesome is that it has a protective plate with a glide coating and rounded tips. So the blade doesn't touch your skin at any point, meaning no nicks or cuts that cause those acne bumps, which may end up becoming permanent marks on your skin. The Philips One Blade is also an amazing tool for Gen Z folks who find it difficult to shape and style their patchy, ungrown beard. It allows you to create precise edges with its dual-sided blade. So go all out and look super sharp for your first date with the Philips One Blade. A very important point to remember for any date is to be chivalrous. ये obvious sound कर सकता है, but trust me, it's possible to forget simple gestures like pulling out the chair for the lady, letting her order first, etc. Complimenting एक ऐसी चीज है जो थोड़ी tricky हो सकती है, especially if it's your first date with someone. Now it's important to compliment your date, but it's equally important to not overdo it. Too many compliments can come across as fake or forced, so keep it simple and sincere. Finally, let's talk about clothes. Dressing well can boost your confidence and make you feel great about yourself. But dressing well का मतलब ये नहीं that you land up for your date in flashy, loud clothes. Keep it simple and classy, and make sure you're comfortable in what you're wearing. So those were my 5 tips for Gen Z folks on their first date. Remember, the key to a successful first date is to be confident and to be yourself. And with the Philips One Blade, you can move fearlessly to look and feel your best.